My name's Trevor Grant. Welcome to the Haas booth at PMTS. Let's check out the rest of the booth. So over here we have an ST25Y. Robot loading with the same thing, robot package 1, loading in a 3-jaw chuck. So on this end we have a DS30Y, bar feeder on it, feeding some 1¼ diameter 17.4 pre-hard stainless. So dropping this part complete, burr free into the parts catcher. So we have some live tool milling, chamfering. Obviously it's doing some OD threading, poking all these holes around the OD. Backside on the sub spindle, drilling out the main bore, ID threading, ID boring. So doing tool break detection on the small drills just to make sure. So let's check out the other side. So up on this front corner we have the UMC 500 SS. So we are cutting some preheat treat 4140. Same thing, just a 1/0 part. Just tab so you break it off complete. So